beauties, welcome back to another Spruce News video. So today I'm going to be creating this makeup look right here for you using the Festival by Juvia's, which is Juvia's Place. This is what the palette looks like. It's very brightly coloured, lovely for summer, perfect for holiday, and I created this quite dramatic eye look with this palette today. So if you want to find out how I created this, then keep on watching.
Even if it makes me blind, I just want to see the light. Breathe in.
So the first shade that I'm going to dip into is this colour right here, and this is called Mamawu. I don't know how to pronounce it, so I apologise. I'll put the names of the shades I used in the description below because I'm going to struggle today. So I'm just going to take it on a fluffy brush and I'm just going to blend that into my crease. This is so pigmented, it's beautiful. You really don't need a lot. This is like such a nice summery shade. I've literally in the summertime just put this all over my lid. It's gorgeous. The next shade that I'm going to dip into is this shade right here, and this is called Zephyr. I'm just going to take another fluffy brush and I'm going to intensify my outer corner and just bring that into the crease. Ooh. This shade is ridiculous. It's so intense. Wow, it's gorgeous. So now that is done, I'm going to cut my crease and I'm just going to dip into my RCMA palette. Just taking a flat brush, I'm just going to cut into my crease now. Now that's done, I'm going to dip into Kaliki, which is this shade right here, and I'm going to pack that all over my lid. I'm going to dip back into this shade right here and just blend that back into my crease just to get rid of any harsh lines. Like so. Now I'm going to take a small brush and I'm going to dip back into that red shade and put it underneath my lower lashes just to smoke that out. I'm going to dip into UI, which is this white shimmer shade here. I'm going to pop that in my inner corner. So guys, this is the final look right here. It's very bold, very intense, very deep shades. I went with more of an intense look rather than quite a summery look with this palette. And although it's very colourful and I think you could create some beautiful summery looks with this, I thought let's go quite intense because I usually go with brighter, more blues, pinks, and now I thought let's go with like a deep black and the red and just try and play with that. Loved playing around with this palette. It's so lovely. You get 9 highly pigmented shades within this palette. It cost £20 in total. I got this from Beauty Bay. On the back of the box it says, the gathering of ritual celebrations filled with bold, daring and mystic trances, a fetish party complemented by exuberant colours. The Festival eyeshadow palette consists of 9 highly pigmented eyeshadows, although on here they've not spelled shadows right, it says shadows. That's quite hilarious. That's always fun. It's a cruelty-free brand and they're designed and manufactured in the US. What I like also about this palette, similar to the Douce, is that the shades in here work perfectly for any skin tone. They're really, really pigmented, easy to work with, very easy to blend, and I think they work really well together. And you can find, I mean, in this palette alone, you could just create so many different combinations. So it's very, very versatile and I would 100% recommend it. It's beautiful. So yeah guys, that is my video. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!